Hakin di kisngi ki bamata keladon ke jingkiew jo ki dor ki mar ki mata ki marbam ki madi ayo wahat. Mat kini kalau tak shibun ya ki pat mak ki baduk ki basuk pat bun ki laut ya ke jingbe mle ai jong ka sarkar bat kumjuru jo kinang mi khmat pat ba. Halo jong ni kanong rem nak kalyang jong MLA jong kan nongkrem Bah Ardent mila basamoy. Mentaka singi ka arp kandai tarik ulara ya kini kamat apa yung darbar tu jong ka jela. Hakajing shisha Bah Ardent oleh tu apa yung darbar ba ulara daga 0 hour notice. Lani kata kamat kebanyakan tang sudap ke kenta jengkeli. Penban nak kaliang jong speaker ulah penkela ya ke 0 hour notice ya ke call attention. Kebomot akaba ulah khotru ya menteri bari pe ya ke food and civil supplies bon ai ya ke jubab. Kamdadon setia ke ngundu ke ïatai. Nak kaliang jong Bah Ardent ulah penpau ke jong persyak ya ke dia ke jeng dia jong speaker. Akaba ulah ong ba cemla ai setia ke ngundu ke call attention notice dari ulah ai tanggawai. Penban ya kena kamat ke jingkiew dor ki marbam di ulah ai daga 0 hour notice kenang banyak banyatai apa yung dorbar. Mat habau speaker semla ailat banyatai ya kena kamat dari ulah syukhat baik ya menteri ban ai ya ke jubab nak kaliang jong Bah Ardent semla syak setia mat ulah penpau ke jong persyak daga baong. Namar bakabor penyak jong ke assembly dan speaker semla ailat banyatai ya kena kamat ke badan kam ke bakta ya uduk usuk mat uluk ulak. Kumta nak kaliang jong bansi. Ban rak ya kena kamat syabar jo ke yung darbar to jong ke jela.
Madam Chairperson, I would like to thank the Honourable Speaker for allowing me to raise this issue under the call attention. And before I proceed with my submissions, Madam, I am surprised to see that a second call attention was mentioned here, which indicated my name, whereas I have not submitted 2 call attentions. In fact, I submitted a 0 hour notice to apprise before this August House regarding the very important issue on price rise. So, sir, I think I will not be able to accept this because I have not submitted 2 call attentions. So may I request the Honourable Speaker, through you, Madam Chairperson, to please consider the 0 hour notice which I have submitted. Maybe it can be listed tomorrow because the issue which I raised is very important for the common man, and that is the price rise. So,
Miller Basomet, Honourable Member, today, as already announced earlier today, only 1 0 hour can be admitted in a day, as per practice and convention that has been practiced so far. Therefore, I had selected the 0 hour of Sri Bright Starwell Marbanyang, MLA, to be listed, and the 0 hour of Sri Ardent Miller Basomet, MLA, has been converted into second call attention notice. This is my ruling. So we now come to the second call attention. A member may make a brief submission.
I know it is your ruling, sir. I respect your ruling, sir. But, sir, if you
wish to bring a point of order?
Yeah. According to the rule, okay, sir, I raise a point of order under Rule 300, and this Rule 49A, sir, there is no ambiguity that in case there is 2, 3 more 0 hour notice that you can convert it into a call attention. Though you will apply with this Rule 314 where you can change the rule, it's your decision, sir. But, sir, I think you need to understand when I submit this 0 hour notice, I didn't expect that it will be taken up today. Maybe it will be listed tomorrow because I have already submitted since Saturday, sir.
Tomorrow there are also many other.
I've already submitted this 0 hour notice since Saturday, last Saturday. And the issue is very important. So, sir, I don't think I'll be able to take it. If you don't want, I feel that I need to be allowed to discuss this issue because it has affected many families and all the families, especially the poor section. And I have a figures with me. So I feel that the House needs to know the rate, the prices, how it affects the people of the state. So it's up to you, sir, whether you allow or, but I don't think it will serve the purpose if the minister just lay the report on the table of the House. I don't think it will serve the purpose,
since it always listed, Sri Kaminwan Imbol, Minister in charge Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, to lay a statement to the call attention notice under Rule 54.1 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, tabled by Sri Ardent Miller Basomite MLA, to the issue of skyrocketing price of essential commodities in the state. Minister in charge, please.
Speaker, sir, I beg to lay the statement to call attention notice under Rule 54.1 of the Rules of Procedure Conduct Business, tabled by Sri Ardent Miller Basomite MLA, to the issue of skyrocketing price of essential commodities in the state.
Sir, I'm really sad that an issue which affected the lives of the people are not being allowed to discuss in this August House on a flimsy reason, sir. Though I respect your decision, but I'll have to take this issue outside this House, sir.